Human beings, you, me, all of us, are living organisms. That's an obvious statement, of course. But with that statement comes a very loaded amount of baggage. You see, you are the product of 4.5 billion years and trillions and trillions and trillions of generations. Over the course of these trillions of generations and 4.5 billion years, not a single one of your direct ancestors ever failed to reproduce. There is an unbroken chain of life that started at the origins of life on this planet to you. Who you are as an individual and who we are as a species ultimately comes down to a product of the path that life took. And if we are going to understand the biology of our behavior, of our thoughts, of our minds, we have to explore the pathway and the development of life itself. In order to do that, we have to kind of break it down into three core ideas. One, how is biological information about the structure of our body, the functions of our organs, the production of the proteins that make us who we are, inherited? Right? How is that information passed down through these generations? How is that information subject to change over time? And what shapes and whittles down those changes into the functionally different forms we know of as different species? Right? So we're going to begin this class with exploring this biological heritage, this biological history. And our goal is to understand those three primary things. How is biological information inherited, passed down across generations? How does it change? And how are those changes filtered and selected over the course of billions of years to form us as human beings and us as individuals? And that's going to be the focus of this week's module.